How's it going, guys? I've got a new community that I've just set up, and I've even got a WordPress tutorial in there teaching how you can build your first website. And it's also a place where you can sort of join and talk to me if you need some sort of help, ideas on making some extra money outside your day job, a few bits that I've done over the years that might help you. Anyway, I hope you can join it. I'll put the link underneath this video. Okay, so all you need to do is click the link below this video. This will take you through to the Freedom Skills Academy, which is basically the name I've called this group. When you're in here, just introduce yourself. I've only recently set it up, so it's all still new to me. So all you need to do, if you want to do the course, is click the Classroom tab up here. And that'll take you through to this page where you can build a WordPress website. So click on that. And you can build a website. Okay, so that's already set up in there. I've got a breakdown of everything you'll be doing. The resources are in there. And it's pretty straightforward. So if you want to build a website, just get going, make a little bit of money on the side. And if you've never built anything before, it's beginner friendly and it's very easy to follow along. So yeah, join the community. I'm also going to be doing other courses as time goes on. If people let me know the type of content they want me to sort of do courses about, I'll start doing other web design courses. I might even do some cybersecurity ones because I understand how to do all that kind of stuff. So yeah, this is all fairly new, so I'm going to be building things as we go along. But this is a free one, so it doesn't cost you anything to join the community and build your first website. Anyway, I'll see you on the inside. You can ask me any questions when you're in there, and I'll be giving you some advice how you can go about speaking to local businesses and things like that to build websites for them. Anyway, I'll speak to you soon. Take care.